Love this house in Lynn Haven.
Oh, it's so great. It's centrally located. You're right next to all of the restaurants. Kind of the hub of Lynn Haven. It's easily off 77. Let's go check it out. Let's go.
The vaulted ceilings in the living area makes the space feel even more open. Kitchen has the perfect modern renovation.
And a beautifully updated and remodeled ensuite. Two bedrooms upstairs with a bathroom and the main ensuite on the main floor.
Wow! I love the extra space this converted garage gives.
Britt, check out this party pad.
Yes, and I love the pergola.
For more information, look in the description below. We've got the listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.